Welcome to Technology for Teaching and Learning 2. This 11th video will focus on maximizing productivity software for instructional materials. Let's go. The modern student faces an information overload. You're asked to produce many documents, presentations, and charts. The challenge is turning this flood of information into clear, effective, and professional work. The solution is your digital toolbox. Productivity software helps you efficiently produce information. These tools transform your ideas into professional quality output, whether for business reports or personal projects. Tool number 1 is Microsoft Word, the wordsmith's chisel. This application is used to process, format, manipulate, save, print, and share any text-based document. Word allows you to create a universe of documents, from reports, resumes, and invoices for business and school, to invitations, recipe cards, and certificates for personal projects. Key features of Word include intelligent assistants like spell and grammar checks, advanced formatting for complete control over text and layout, collaboration features for co-authoring, and cloud and local access for flexible saving. Tool number 2 is Microsoft Excel, the Data Detective's Lens. This spreadsheet program records, analyzes, and visualizes numerical data to uncover powerful insights. Excel works by organizing data in rows and columns, performing calculations using formulas, and visualizing insights through charts and graphs. Key applications of Excel span education, business, data analysis, progress reports, and goal setting and planning. Excel is a powerful tool for students because it builds strong analytical thinking skills and provides the fastest way to calculate with accuracy using powerful formulas and data tools. Tool number 3 is Microsoft PowerPoint, the storyteller's stage. It's a presentation program that creates slideshows with important information, charts, and rich media to bring ideas to life. PowerPoint has advantages, like being engaging, easy to use, and supporting rich media. However, beware of pitfalls like technical failure, poor design, and the dreaded death by PowerPoint or distracting effects. PowerPoint is a versatile canvas. Teachers can create dynamic lessons and showcase student work. Students can present research, create visual projects, and build interactive self-quizzes. While Microsoft Office is powerful, a world of alternatives exists. Exploring tools like Google Apps, LibreOffice, Zoho, and others helps you find the perfect fit for any task. Key players in the productivity space include Google Workspace for collaboration, LibreOffice/OpenOffice as free, open-source desktop suites, Zoho Suite, and various mobile-first apps for on-the-go editing. Here is the visual summary of what we have covered today. Have a look and take a shot. See you on the next one.